up, guys? Got both forerunners running, getting ready to go out on Montana Backroads 4x4 Club's annual Christmas tree run. Go see if we can head up the mountain and get some Christmas trees. If you can hear, that's not idling high. So I had a little issue with it last night. I drove it to work yesterday, come home, and the throttle stuck wide open. Come to find out, the inside of the cable frayed and was causing it to just run wide open. I got that changed out, luckily, from that parts rig, and it's running good now. It was kind of a pain in the ass to fix because all I had was wrenches and hardly any light. So yeah, that was pretty fun. Sorry I didn't record it for you guys, but I was a little frustrated anyway, so it wouldn't have been a good video. But hopefully we can get some good clips today for a video and some trees. So we'll see you out there. Perfect conditions for Christmas tree run. Dang, look at that tree. That'd look good in somebody's house.
Yeah, what?
If they had a big enough house. That is a nice tree.
Oh, there's two up in there.
Oh, I see. Yeah, right? I thought it was just one. Never mind. All right. We don't need nothing that big though. I'm gonna try to stick to a tree that's about, I don't know, my height, maybe a little bit taller. Yeah, ish. I always have the problem of the Griswolds of I'll pick a tree and I'm like, oh, this will work, and yeah, I have to cut half the tree out because, well, they don't fit in the house. Every year I do that. There it is, there's the spot. This is cool. Sorry, I had to. Insufficient storage. You want a donut? So shaky. I thought he was done, but he's not. He's going. And tree. That'd been great. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please hit that like button. Don't forget to share, and please subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. All right, so we'll catch you later. Also, don't forget, hit up Montana Toyota Off-Road for that merch. And we'll catch you later. Peace.